Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to become a freelance transcriber at DATS, one of the leading transcription companies in the industry. DATS stands for Digital and Audio Transcription Services. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time career, transcription can be a rewarding and flexible option. So, let's go! Before we give you the steps, how about a little background about DATS? DATS is an Australian-owned company that has been providing digital and audio transcription services since 2007. DATS prides itself on providing clear, timely, and affordable transcription services that are highly personalized to each client's needs. Testimonials from satisfied clients attest to DATS' quick responses and accurate transcriptions. Now, let's go to the meaty stuff, the good news. DATS is hiring. The first step to becoming a freelance transcriber at DATS is to visit their website. Head over to their careers page by simply scrolling down to the bottom of their homepage and clicking the careers link. We also provided the link to this page in the description field of this video. DATS offers a wide range of transcription projects, including medical, legal, academic, and general transcription. DATS specifically stated that they only hire experienced staff. Typists must have a minimum of 3 years digital transcription experience. Typists must be able to type a minimum of 80 WPM. Transcribers must reside in Australia. Once you're on the careers page, you'll find the detailed application form. Fill in all the required information, including your personal details, contact information, and your relevant experience. Make sure to provide accurate and up-to-date information. The last step is to click on the Submit Application button. After submitting your application, DATS will review it carefully. If you meet their requirements, you may be asked to complete a sample transcription task. This helps them assess your transcription skills and accuracy. Make sure to follow the guidelines provided and deliver your best work. Once you've successfully passed the sample transcription, DATS will provide you with access to their training resources. These resources are designed to familiarize you with their style guide, transcription tools, and specific client requirements. Take your time to go through the training materials and ask any questions you may have. As a freelance transcriber at DATS, you have the freedom to choose your own working hours and workload. This flexibility allows you to achieve a great work-life balance. However, it's essential to manage your time effectively and meet the project deadlines. The pay rate can vary depending on the experience and type of transcription work. It is best to contact DATS directly to inquire about their pay rates for freelance transcriptionists. And there you have it. Now you know how to become a freelance transcriber at DATS. It's an excellent opportunity to work with a reputable company and earn money while enjoying what you love doing. That's all, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting career tips and opportunities. You can also follow us on social media for regular updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.